Are you ready to take control of your financial future? We're going to dive into a journey toward financial independence, a path that not only transforms your bank account but changes the way you live your life. Ask yourself, what are the secrets that the wealthy know but don't share? Or how can I, with limited resources, build lasting wealth? What if I told you that no matter where you are right now, financial freedom is you might feel stuck, but this video will show you exactly how to break free from the cycle of financial stress and begin building the life you deserve. This video will break down 5 actionable steps that will guide you toward financial independence, even if you're starting from scratch. If you're buried in debt or struggling to save, we've got a clear, step-by-step plan for you.
Mindset for financial success, your mindset. Before we jump into practical strategies, it's important to talk about mindset. The path to wealth begins with how you think about money. The wealthy don't just focus on earning more, they think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Financial success starts in your mind, and it's something you can build too. 1. Commit to your vision. The first step is to define what financial independence means to you. Write it down, visualize it, and make it your ultimate goal. Without a clear vision, it's hard to know where to begin. What does financial freedom look like for you? Is it debt freedom, owning your own home, traveling the world without worrying about money? Whatever it is, visualize your success daily and remind yourself why you're on this journey. 2. Develop a growth-oriented attitude. Financial independence requires you to step out of your comfort zone. You'll need to embrace risks, make difficult decisions, and sometimes experience temporary setbacks. Are you willing to do what others won't in order to get what others can't? This attitude will shape how you handle challenges and how fast you progress. 3. Practice patience and discipline. Real wealth doesn't happen overnight, it's a gradual process. Stay disciplined. Stick to your goals even when it feels slow. You'll face challenges, but perseverance is key. Ask yourself, how much am I willing to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow? Building wealth from zero. Can you build wealth from nothing? Absolutely. Let's talk about practical steps to build wealth, even if you have nothing to start with. It's easy to feel like financial independence is an impossible dream when you're just getting started, but I'm here to show you how to take small, consistent actions that can lead to big results over time. 1. Increase your income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Start small, pick up a side gig. Explore freelancing or look for passive income opportunities. Even if it's just an extra $100 a month, that's a step forward. How could an additional income stream help you reach your goals faster? 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your spending. Wealthy individuals focus on value, not appearances. Cut back on small, repetitive expenses, things like daily coffee runs or subscriptions you don't use. Those dollars can be better invested in your future. What unnecessary expense could you cut today to start saving more? 3. The power of saving and investing early. Don't wait until you have a large sum to start saving. Investing early, even a small amount, gives you a head start. It's about building good habits and making small, consistent contributions to your savings or investments. Ask yourself, what's the smallest step I can take today to start investing in my future? Smart financial habits to adopt. Habits that build wealth. Wealth is not built by luck, it's built by habit. Let's talk about a few habits that you can adopt today that will keep you on track toward financial freedom. 1. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. If you're not tracking your spending, you're wasting opportunities to save. Use budgeting tools or apps to get a clear picture of your finances. Once you know where your money is going, you can make smarter choices. Where is your money disappearing each month? 2. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether through formal education, online courses, or self-study, build a skill set that can increase your income. What skill could you learn that would boost your earning potential today? 3. Avoid bad debt and leverage good debt. Not all debt is bad. Learn the difference between bad debt, high-interest credit cards, payday loans, and good debt loans for real estate or business ventures. How can you use good debt to build assets that generate income? Strategies for long-term wealth. Building long-term wealth. True financial independence comes from thinking long-term. The rich don't just make money, they build wealth. Let's explore the strategies they use to create lasting wealth. 1. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets generate income. Liabilities drain it. Use your income to acquire assets that work for you, like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Start by making small investments and scale over time. What asset could you begin investing in today? 2. Automate your finances. Setting up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts is a game changer. You won't even notice the money leaving your account, and it builds wealth passively. What small automatic transfer could you set up today? 3. Commit to continuous learning. Financial landscapes change. Commit to lifetime learning and adapt to new financial trends. Educate yourself constantly about new investment opportunities, tax strategies, and ways to grow your wealth. What's one financial book or course you could commit to reading this month? Summing it all up, financial independence is within your reach. With the right mindset, the right habits, and a long-term strategy, you can build wealth and transform your life. It won't happen overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to the freedom you deserve. If this video has helped you gain clarity or motivation, subscribe to the channel for more actionable insights on financial freedom, and don't forget to like the video to support our journey together toward wealth and success. You can do this. Let's get started.